So recently we had a shooting to create a new fashion film for MAISON Alternative. So this is a low BTS video. So I choose this URSA mini Pro G2 for this shooting because a director wants to shoot the 120p and also 4.6 scale resolutions. So I choose the URSA mini Pro G2 and a Sigma Art Lens. And the lighting setup is super simple. I bring my Godox SL for this shooting, and I put the Aputure Lantern in front of this lighting. So this makes some kind of nice and soft and big light source for this shooting. So yeah, I created this lighting. Super simple, but this photography style lighting setup it works in many cases. So yeah, I recommend this simple lighting. So at this time, we have to shoot the photography and the cinematography by turns, so it's kind of like a rushing shooting, but we could shoot the nice footages, their brand, and yeah. So we all super satisfied with the final result, and yeah, this shooting is gonna be 10 hours shooting or something, but yeah, I was super happy to be part of this project. So thank you for watching, and then please check this MAISON Alternative. This brand is super cutting edge, and they created a nice clothing. So yeah, I think this brand created a new concept, a new perspective for the men's clothing. So yeah, this I think that this brand changed the world view for the men's clothes brand. See you guys next video.